Hi, my name is Marquita Waters, and I'm a vocal coach, a singer, a songwriter, and an author. I authored my first book, I Will Not Grow Weary. It's about my life in show business, the ups, the downs. And there's a technical part. In that part, I explain exactly what you need to do with your voice to keep it healthy. And if there's any problems, how you get over those problems. And also the psychological side. Very important. The book is for beginners to pros. If you're beginning lessons, it can be exciting, but it also can be scary. So I'm going to explain exactly what we do. I teach privately, online, and now I teach online with the iPassio platform. When we start our lessons, I listen to what your needs are. You might just want to keep your voice healthy. You might have a problem with breathing, or in the phrasing of the song, okay, you're going up into a note and I can't get that note. Okay, so we'll go over those things. The exercises that we do, we start like something like this. In those exercises, you'll have to take a breath in between. I can check your breathing, and then I can check how you use your mouth, how your body is, how you approach the notes. If you have a problem as you're going up and it gets scary, or you're loud and all of a sudden you get soft, or if you're having a problem doing any lower notes, anything it is, I'll explain exactly how to deal with a problem, not just tell you you've got a problem here. I explain how to do it. The songs that we do are songs that you choose. And if they're too high, too low, I can fix that. I deal with whatever problem comes along. And if you have questions, maybe after we do an exercise, you're not quite sure of how or what or where, I'm going to explain everything. So I'll answer any questions that you have. You know, I'm excited for you because I get to see you blossom and become the best you can be. I'm here to help you with that. Looking forward to meeting you, looking forward to hearing you, and looking forward to helping you be that best that you can be. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Bye-bye.